everyone, it's Fudou and I scribble. Today is a very rainy day and rain makes me creative, so I've decided to do a doodle video today because I just want to sit down, listen to the rain and doodle. It's actually not raining right now, but we're having just bursts of super heavy rainfall. I managed to catch some earlier, so I'll put in some clips here and there of that. It was just ridiculous at the same time as it was kind of awesome to listen to. So yeah, today's video is probably going to be a little bit longer than what I usually do because I want to try a different style with my doodle videos. I want them to be a little more vlog-esque, and I'm just gonna have a doodle day. Gonna go make some coffee too, actually. Got all my stuff ready. Look what I found. I found a little sunning dog. Hittar du solen? Hittar du solen? Är det skönt att ligga i solen? Ja. His name is Bamse. Hey, Bamse. Oh, that's classy. Thanks, honey. Hej du, vännen. Kom här. Kom. Ja, du kommer här. Så försiktigt. Kom. Så ja. Eller inte. Hej. Hej. Sitter du bra nu? Är det? Är det inte bra idag? Är det inte bra idag? So this happened. Okay, sweetie, what is wrong with you? Okay, yeah. So if I cross my legs, can you still sit there? Okay, honey. You're blocking the view. I'm supposed to be drawing. Hey, I'm supposed to be drawing. Nope, nope, nope. Still too bitter. Oh. Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat. Sluta. Bamse. Lägg av. Set my heart afire. Got no battery left. I struggle with hands right now, and I was doing the same thing yesterday. I was drawing two characters holding hands, and it was just not working out for me. Anyway, that's the progress so far.
suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
Okay, so I finished the sketch just now, and I'm going to take a short break. I need to charge the camera a little and empty it too. Yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so apparently I forgot to actually tell you guys what I'm doing next, but I'm going to do some expression practice. And the way I do this is that I write down a number of characters I feel like drawing that day, and then I use a random number generator to pick a character. And I managed to get Goonji as my first one, which was kind of hilarious. And then I tried to decide on an expression, but I was having a hard time. So I decided to use the emoji challenge. And I found a suitable chart, and I used that. Instead of A through E, I just numbered them 1 through 5. And I randomly generated that too. So for the first one, I got 2. And then for the second one, I got 9. Either way, I go through the process like this to practice different expressions and whatnot. So yeah, just go ahead and enjoy. I'm not going to do too much commentary on this, probably nothing at all, honestly. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, see you again at the end of the video. flaws in the drawing of depressing stuff. Side note, Fudou is probably the character I want to do this the least to. Like, oh my god, baby, I'm sorry. But, anyway. I don't think I'd been able to draw Fudou half a year ago. But, because I've been doing practice drawings where I've been drawing human heads without hair, using photo references, this was much easier for me because I sort of know how human heads look like now, and this wasn't at all as intimidating as I thought it would be. If there's a character you like but you don't feel confident in drawing them, figure out why you're not confident and then try to practice on that. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to inking depressing Fudou. I'm so sorry, honey. Really, I am. But the random number generator forced me to. Sweetie, I am so sorry. I am so very sorry. Oh, goodness, sweetie. I'm so sorry. Did I seriously just stick my head under the camera? Oh, goodness.
Feeling free, I'm a part of this place above. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
You know my characters? I have a character that looks a lot like this boy. Let's see. There. Here. This is Venus. He is very much inspired by Tsunami Josuke. So yeah, if you ever wonder why my character Venus looks a lot like this boy, it's because it was intentional. Oh, now I know why it's suddenly very easy. Best thing is, because it's my character, I don't have to Google a reference.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. A doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us.
Okay, so I'm calling it done now. Just gonna review everything I've done. I started with this page. I didn't show it in the video because it just made it very long and it's just repeating everything I'm doing later, but I did some practice and then I did 2 thumbnails for this sketch, which was a request Randomly 2011 did on my 150 subscribers video. There are still slots left, so if you want to make a request, go ahead and do it. I'll link the video down below. And these are 2 characters from the anime, Now and Then, Here and There. If you haven't seen it, you should, because it's really good and I really like drawing them. And then I did some expression practice, and it ended up being a lot of Inazuma 11 fan art. So we have Goenji, and oh, I'm so very sorry, honey. Fudou, and then Tsunami, and also finally one of my own characters, Mars. And this one isn't, I feel like I couldn't do like the expression, excuse me, there's too much green on her shoulder. I feel like I couldn't do the expression justice, like I couldn't get it right, so it looks really quite off. But she does look freaked out at least, so that I'm proud of that. But anyway, so that was what I managed to do today, and I'm really happy about it. I'm just gonna sign off like this because it's a hassle removing the camera from the stand. Thank you so much for watching this. If you watched all of it, I'm even more thankful. Like, wow, you stuck around for like 15 or 20 minutes, however long this is gonna be. It's probably closer to 20, isn't it? This took a long time. Either way, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope to see you guys soon again. Until next time, bye!